Hey there, music lovers and profit seekers, ready to turn your passion for tunes into cold, hard cash? On today's episode, we're uncovering how you can make money online just by listening to music. That's right, if you're all about discovering new tracks and want to get paid for it, I'll reveal the name of the website soon in this video. Stay tuned as we break down how you can start earning while jamming out to your favorite songs. Let's dive in. But before we dive into the process, what is this website all about? Well, this website is an online radio service where you can listen to a huge variety of music, from your favorite hits to new tunes. But here's the cool part. They don't just play music, they actually reward you for listening. How do they do this? Well, this website uses something called blockchain technology. Think of it like a super secure digital ledger that keeps track of everything. This system records how much you listen and engage with the radio, and in return, you earn cryptocurrency. That's right, by just tuning in and enjoying the music, you can earn digital money. So not only can you discover great music, but you can also start building up some cryptocurrency just by listening. How awesome is that? By the way, the name of this website is CyberFMradio.com. Step 1. Sign up first. Head over to the CyberFM radio website. You'll see a button to sign up or create an account. Click on that. Next, you'll need to fill in some basic information like your name, email address, and maybe a password. This helps set up your account so you can start listening and earning. It's a quick and easy process to get you on your way. Step 2. Download the app. To get started with CyberFM Radio and make it easier to earn money, download their app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find the app in the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad, or in the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. Just search for CyberFM Radio, hit download, and you'll be ready to start listening and earning in no time. Step 3. Set up your profile. Once you've signed up on CyberFM Radio, it's time to get your profile ready. This step is crucial because it ensures you're fully set up to start earning rewards. Here's what you need to do. Complete your information. Go to your profile page and fill in any extra details that CyberFM asks for. This might include your name, where you live, and other basic information. Providing this information helps make sure your account is complete and ready to use. Link. Social media. Accounts. If CyberFM asks you to, connect your social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter. This helps CyberFM confirm your identity and might give you access to extra features or rewards. Linking social media can also help you stay connected with updates and special offers. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a message from CyberFM Radio. You'll find a link inside the email. Click on it to verify your account. This step is important because it keeps your profile secure and ensures you receive all necessary updates and notifications from CyberFM. By completing these steps, you'll be all set to start earning rewards just by listening to music. But you may ask, how to earn money? Step 4. Earnings. Here's where the magic happens. Earn by listening to music. Start by tuning into CyberFM Radio and just enjoy the music. The longer you listen, the more you can earn. CyberFM Radio tracks how much time you spend listening and how active you are on their platform. So, the more you listen, the more you earn. Earn through tokens. While you listen, you'll earn something called CyberFM tokens, ECFM. Think of these tokens like digital money. You can use these tokens to get other types of digital money, known as cryptocurrencies, or even exchange them for real cash, depending on the platform you use to exchange them. Earn by engaging and participating. You can boost your earnings by getting more involved with CyberFM Radio. This might include doing things like filling out surveys, listening to specific music channels or genres, and interacting with other users. Sometimes, these activities can give you extra rewards. Earn by referring friends. Another way to increase your earnings is by inviting your friends to join CyberFM Radio. When your friends start listening, you'll earn a portion of their rewards as well. It's a great way to earn more, while helping your friends find a fun and profitable way to enjoy music. Tips for maximizing earnings. Stay active. Make sure you're listening to CyberFM Radio regularly. The more you listen, the more you earn. Think of it like getting paid for your time. If you spend more time listening, you'll earn more rewards. Just keep CyberFM radio on in the background while you go about your day to make the most of it. Explore different channels. CyberFM radio offers a variety of channels and music styles. Don't stick to just one. Try exploring different ones. Sometimes specific channels might have special offers or bonus rewards. Plus, it's a great way to discover new music you might love, all while boosting your earnings. Engage with the community. Get involved with other listeners on CyberFM radio. Join discussions, participate in community events, and watch for any announcements. Being active and interacting with others can give you extra chances to earn more. It's also a great way to stay updated on new opportunities. Keep track of your tokens. Pay attention to how many CyberFM tokens you've earned. Learn about the current exchange rates so you know how much your tokens are worth. This helps you decide the best time to convert your tokens into cash or other cryptocurrencies, ensuring you get the most value out of your earnings. As a wrap-up, in this video, we're exploring a fun way to make money online by listening to music on CyberFM radio. To get started, first visit the CyberFM radio website and sign up for a free account. Once you've registered, download the CyberFM radio app on your smartphone or tablet for easy access. After installing the app, complete your profile by verifying your email or linking your social media accounts. As you start listening to music on CyberFM radio, you'll earn CyberFM tokens, CFM, which are digital tokens you accumulate just by tuning in. To boost your earnings, engage actively with the platform by participating in various activities, referring friends to join, and staying consistent with your listening habits. The more you interact, the more you can earn, making it a great way to turn your love for music into a source of income. And that's how you can turn your love for music into a way to make money with CyberFM radio. It's really that simple. Just listen to the songs you enjoy and earn rewards while you do it. Now, I'm curious to know what you like to listen to when you're earning online. What's your favorite music, genre, or artist? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on making money online, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll always stay updated with the latest content from Profitability Plus. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep finding new ways to boost your income with us.